You can order the drive shaft used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. Lift the rear of your vehicle. We strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ram 1500 safely before carrying out this step. Place the vehicle on the jack stands. Using a breaker bar and a 15mm socket, unscrew the 3 accessible bolts attaching the drive shaft to the rear differential. To access the 4th bolt, it is necessary to manually put the vehicle in neutral. To do this, use a plastic fork to remove the plastic cover located above the parking brake. Use a flathead screwdriver to push the locking pin and pull on the strap. You can now freely rotate the drive shaft to access the 4th bolt. To block the rotation of the drive shaft when unscrewing the last bolt, put the neutral manual lever back in place. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Then unscrew the 4th bolt. Disengage the drive shaft from the rear differential using a hammer. Then remove the drive shaft from the front differential by pulling on it. You can order the drive shaft used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Insert the new drive shaft into the front differential. Then position the drive shaft on the rear differential. Apply Threadlocker to the drive shaft retaining bolts. Then screw the first 2 bolts back on. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. If you want to know which tools and parts we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need. Return your vehicle to the neutral position via the neutral manual lever. Then, rotate the drive shaft so you can tighten the last 2 bolts. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. You can now rest your vehicle on the ground. Operation complete.